Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this is just a demonstration of a robot that I've been working on with some of the guys that I do tutorials on making Forex robots. I think I'll leave the link to this video, how we made this robot, in the description box below, so that if you also want to probably try this for yourself, you can basically give it a go. Basically, the concept behind this robot is a robot that opens pending orders. I think I've set my parameters too tight, but if you are on FX Dreamer, the platform that we use to create Forex robots for free without any coding, without paying anybody, you can basically change some of these parameters and see if this robot becomes profitable for you. So I think I'd set the parameters for Forex, and now I'm using NAS 100 as an example. Was something I made a mistake there. But basically, the concept behind the robot is every new candle, you see what happens. It opens two pending orders based on the previous candle. So it opens two pending orders, one based on the previous candle's high price and the previous candle's low price. Then they are offset by some pips. That's why they are there. They are there. Can we zoom in a bit? So that sometimes people cannot see what's really going on. So the pending orders are set off a bit from the sell side is set off by around 20 pips from the closing price. The pending buy is set off by around 20 pips from the high price of the previous candle. Then the moment you get a trigger on one of the trades, whether it's a sell or it's a buy, the other trade immediately gets closed, like what happened there. Then on the new candle, it opens another candle, but that original trade is still open. You see, this trade is still open. This one is a pending trade, and this one is a pending buy, and there's a trailing stop that you saw moved in a bit, and it was actually triggered. So that's why I said I probably set the parameters for this too tight. I shouldn't have placed this example on NAS 100, but hopefully you get the idea of what I am talking about. So this will probably be a good robot for people who don't want to analyze. They don't know the direction the pair is going to take, and so they are not keen on analyzing the direction of the pair. And is I'm not saying that this robot will immediately make you a millionaire. No. Far from that. Consider this an entertainment. Consider this just a concept, maybe a theory. Maybe a theory, because I'm not saying that this robot is going to immediately turn you into a robot of a millionaire overnight. Sorry. So that's the concept behind this robot. I think if you watch the video, then you can see how we came up with the robot, and also the file. If you want to download this robot, I'm giving it away for free, as I usually do. I usually give away stuff for free. Just visit the links in the description box below, the blogs. I give away basically everything for free. That's what I am. I guess that's what I do. So you can download this file and load it onto your FX Dreamer, or you can download it and test it on your MetaTrader 4 as well, and see if it's going to be something that you want to explore further. See, at every candlestick, we get a new a set of pending orders. The moment one is hit, the other one gets closed, and the other one that was triggered starts getting managed. This will be the TP, that will be the stop loss for the buy pending order, like that. You see, now the pending order is moved in, but now it gets triggered as the stop loss. So that's why I said I think I should have put this on a NAS 100 chart, maybe a bad example. But yeah, if you want to test this out, if you want to download it for yourself, maybe it's going to be something for you to consider and test out. The link will be in the description box below again. So yeah, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our future videos. Like the video, leave your comments in the comment section below. Maybe you test this robot out and you decide no, probably you should have set this stop loss or this kind of TP for this kind of forex pair. I would like to hear your feedback on that. So here's another set of pending orders. Let's see what happens with this set of pending orders. That's basically what this robot really does. Is it going to make you a billionaire? I already said just consider this as a textbook study. It has potential. The idea has a potential, but as everything in forex, I'm the first person to promise you that you are not going to become an overnight millionaire, but it might get you some good profits. It might get you some good profits, especially if you are able to adjust the settings. If you are able to adjust the settings for the TP as well as the stop loss, I think that's where I'm realizing that I probably set them too tight, especially the trailing stop. I think the trailing stop is too tight, as well as maybe the TP is too tight, especially for a pair like NAS 100. So yeah, this is not part of the trade, by the way. If you've been watching my videos on this channel, you know this is a system that I already use with my trading. It's not part of the robot. It's not part of the robot. So yeah, download the robot. The links are in the description box below. Let's see if you probably make some money out of this. If you do make some coin out of this, I'm happy for you. If you have an idea of how we can further enhance it, develop it so that we get the best results, again, leave a comment in the comment section below. I'm sharing this file free of charge, for free. You don't need to pay me anything. You are not buying anything from me. And if you're also looking to use the same broker that I use, for $5 you can open a real life trading account. And they are very reliable. See the link in the description box below. Sign up with the link in the description box below. I've been with them for more than 5 years now. I've not had any problems regarding deposits and withdrawals. So yeah, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Generation